Hello guys, my name is Harry, and in today's video I'm going to share with you on how to replace back all of the components and the battery cover on a Bajaj Boxer X150 2020 version. In relation to the previous video which I made about how to get some information from the battery, so if you want to replace back everything in place, the first thing you have to do is to take out this rubber which holds the battery in place from both sides. So you take this rubber and then you snap it on this little metal clip on the other side like this, and then you pull it all the way back to the other side of the battery until it snaps there, and then you release it. After that, you take this fuse panel and then you put it in its secured place. You can see there is a little plastic here. You just make sure it is well aligned, and then you push it little by little until it fits well to its normal position. Then you have to take this plastic thing like a sponge, which prevents the vibration of the engine. You can just put it right in there. It will hold in place after a while. Simple, it holds like that. Just make sure it sits there, and then you take out your battery cover. Which is just right here. So there is this little snap on the back here, which will go here. So make sure it is well aligned in a place like that. You place it little by little, and then there's a snap point. It has to come on this area. So make sure it is well aligned, and then you can put your supporting finger on the other end to make sure it protrudes, and then you push it by little force until it fits well. Now it's well secured. On the rear, it's not shaking. And then from here, you place like this, and then you turn the key like that, and then you pull back the key. If you find this well secured, that's it. So that's how to replace back the cover of the battery from Bajaj Boxer X150 on your motorcycle. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next one, and that's all for today.